Hey everyone, welcome back. One of the trickiest things about running your own business is figuring out how to pay yourself. It's not as simple as just transferring money to your personal account. How you pay yourself affects your taxes, your liability, and even your ability to get a loan for a mortgage. So let's walk through your options. First, it depends on your business structure. If you're a sole proprietor or single member LLC taxed as a disregarded entity, you don't technically pay yourself a salary. You take what's called an owner's draw. You simply transfer money from your business account to your personal account whenever you need it. At the end of the year, you pay self-employment tax and income tax on your net business profit, regardless of how much you actually drew out. If your business is taxed as a partnership or multi-member LLC, it works similarly. Partners take draws, and each partner pays tax on their share of the profits as reported on their K-1. Now, if you've elected S-Corp taxation, and this is where it gets interesting, you're required to pay yourself a reasonable salary. That means running payroll, withholding taxes, and paying the employer portion of payroll taxes. The salary must be reasonable for the work you do. The IRS watches for owners who pay themselves too little to avoid payroll taxes. After you paid yourself a reasonable salary, you can take additional money out as shareholder distributions, which aren't subject to self-employment tax. But this is where people get in trouble, so you got to be careful. If you're a C-Corp, you can also pay yourself a salary through payroll. You can also receive dividends, but remember, dividends are taxed twice, once at the corporate level and again on your personal return. So what's a reasonable salary? Well, it depends on your industry, your role, your experience, and what similar positions pay in your area. There's no magic formula, but you do need to be able to defend your number if the IRS asks. The way you pay yourself has real tax consequences. Get it wrong and you could owe back taxes and penalties. Talk to your tax advisor to set up a payment structure that works for your business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.